What's up guys, it's Roszell, and today we're going to put that bumper on that car. Can't even see it, it's right there. So we already got the plastic off, and you can see why we need this bumper replaced. It's a little bit rough. There's like a dent over there. Car looks good, but the bumper look better with that one. So I've never taken one of these off before. Mine's a coupe, so it's a little bit different. But I do know that these clips come off. You have to take the top part. You have to get that loose first.
I'll say insert time lapse.
Insert time lapse here.
I've been dreaming. 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 I've been dreaming.
That's completely broken.
Once you get this out, the whole clip just comes out like a normal clip. Just like that with a pry tool. There you go. I'll take the rest out and then I'll get back. So that's all that has to come out. The bumper's ready to come off now. So you literally just pull it, but the front lights. There we go. Next we got to get off that plastic shroud. It's pretty destroyed. It'll come off. Okay, so for this part, there's going to be two little clips right in here. There's one that's still there, so just pull that real quick, pry it with a pry tool. Get that out, and then you got that. Now there's probably another one here.
It was on the inside.
Yeah. There's another clip here, and then there's another one like the ones that were on the bumper right here. So that has to come off. And then you just got this 10mm bolt. And then that should take it off. So we got the shroud off. There it is. There's the plastic. It's pretty simple to get off. Now is the fun part, because that bumper is not made for a wagon exactly. It's got different mounts on the side, so we have to find a way to mount it so that it'll be similar to this. So let's do it.
I've been dreaming. 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 I've been dreaming.
So now I've just got to finish.
That's cool.
Figure out a way. This is very cool, isn't it, Dad?
It's very cool. Isn't it? Son?
We just have to figure out a way. That purple looks good. Figure out a way to mount it. Probably gonna do something here, and then something here, here,
Just break the mounts and throw them away.
and then on this corner. Yeah, we just broke the mounts. It's a coupe bumper.
That could have been a good way to mount it.
We got it. So basically what we did is we just put two self-tapping screws here to hold it. And then we drilled up through the bumper and through the mount on this side, and then did the same on that side. And it is solid. Like, it is extremely solid. It doesn't move. Looks good too. And there it is. The finished product. It looks really good with that purple. With the purple. So we got the fitment perfect. That's my phone. Fitment perfect. And that's how you install an E46 coupe M3 bumper on an E46 wagon. That's it. It's hot, by the way. Very hot.
I've been dreaming.
Yes. Yeah. Disrespect. So that's going to be it for this video. If you want to see more of Randall's car, I'm going to put his Instagram link in the description and you can check that out. For everyone else, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and turn on notifications if you want to see more and you want to get notifications. And that'll be all.
Low gang out.
Goodbye.